Okay, welcome back to day 2. We're going to go ahead and go over what I've been doing for the past couple of hours now. So I actually spent a lot of time on TikTok today, kind of researching exactly what I should be doing, what products to post, what type of video styles, pretty much everything. I'm still pretty confused, but I'm trying to make this series as easy as possible for you guys to follow along. So if you don't have an account already, just start, get an account. And what I've learned over the past couple of hours is that you need to start with products that you have around your house. You might not have TikTok Shop or products. I promise you some things in your house, they're on the TikTok Shop. Pretty much everything's on the TikTok Shop now. And the cooler their product is, obviously, the better it is for you to start with. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that I've done in my account. And probably at the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and drop some questions for some people. But again, this is just a full transparent guide. I'm not really saying step by step on what I'm doing, what you should be doing. You can just pretty much follow along, and you can literally follow the account that I'm using this with. So yesterday we posted around, if we can scroll down a little bit, we barely posted any videos. We posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we posted 5 videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one got around 300 views. And, obviously if you click on the video and then we click on analytics, should show you exactly how much we made. So if you haven't even made money, I don't even think it shows you the average amount of money that you made per video. But if you made money from a video, like let's say, for example, if we go down a lot, like really far down the page, we'll be able to find it. Let me see this one. I had one viral video, like half a year ago, generating me sales every single day. Click right here, analytics. It should say estimated rewards, aka how much your commission is. I don't know why they don't say it in like TikTok Shop metrics. But yeah, if you haven't made money on a video, it's not going to go ahead and show that. But that being said, if we scroll up, we can go ahead and I'll show you everything that we've done. So again, those videos all got around 300 views. And if you go over to TikTok Shop Creator Center, we go over to trying to find where I can show you like the past couple of days. I don't know where to find that. If you guys know where to find like where I can find it day by day, because I don't have it like yesterday or anything. I don't know where that criteria is. But anyways, we made no money off that day. Perfectly fine. So I'm like, screw it. Let's try today. Let's do something a little bit different, and let's see, how we can iterate and actually start making content. Because for me, I just want to do volume. And now there are these different types of content on TikTok. There's top of funnel, minimum of funnel, and bottom of funnel. And essentially these are just, the kind of like the campaign, like where people are in the destination of a product. So let's just say that you don't even have a problem. Let's just say that it's running shoes. And, specifically running shoes are needed for running if you're going to be running long distances. So let's just say that I'm somebody that's kind of interested in starting to get running. That's top of funnel. So you'll see videos that talk about what you should be doing when you're running. And then eventually they might pitch the product and say, hey, if you're interested in actually getting started with running, here's how we do it. Middle of funnel is you've heard about the product. You might have a need. You might have a problem thinking you might be looking around. Bottom of funnel is you already know the type of shoes that you want to buy, or you know that you want to buy some type of shoes. And then they're just selling you the deals. They're selling you the discounts, whatever that may be. Issue is bottom of funnel. It's the highest converting, meaning that there are thousands of people making these videos every single day, meaning the only way to stand out is by posting 30, 40, 50, even some people post 100 per day, which I promise you, it's easy to do very quickly, but mentally, it is like the hardest shit to do. I'm not going to do that. I'm sorry. I'm not going to sit around for 3 hours, say, it's free, it's free, it's free, whatever. I'm not doing that. So we're going to do it just like the normal video way. Now, I've been following this one guy. His name is Patrick, and he makes pretty good freaking videos.
Why are you still going?
He makes good videos. He makes skit videos. So they're the same thing. They're very quick to make, but those are the viral types. So bottom of funnel, you'll never get views on those, and you're only hoping for conversions. With his videos, like the skit videos, I'll go ahead and show you one real quick. I don't think I will. It's right here, for example.
Yo, dude, why didn't you order?
So I think this is the content style that I want to run with, because he's literally talking about the product. Now, what I found interesting is that he has a main video, or he has like a main profile where he talks about how much money he makes. He shows the behind the scenes of the videos and all that sort of stuff. And this dude makes literally like 10 grand a week minimum. And he shows it, it's all real, all that sort of stuff. So I actually found his real account. So if you're wondering what's his real account, this is the account that makes him literally $10,000 a week, pure profit. It's insane. And what I found very cool is that
yo, dude, why didn't you order?
They don't have any captions, so he doesn't need to edit it. They're all one runs, meaning like, you record it once, you don't have to edit it, or at least for most
what the hell?
Like one shot. And if you screw up, you just redo the video. And it's plain and simple. They're like in Applebee's, they're in the restaurant. So you don't have to sit there with a tripod, set it up correctly. Like you just do it in your average day-to-day life. You just incorporate the product in, and obviously these are all fake skits, but you know, people still believe him and whatnot.
Dude,
and it's very simple. And then of course, all he does, there's not even hashtags, there's nothing. So it's like the lowest effort type of video, but it's the highest converting, at least for what most people say. And what I found interesting about this guy is that I'm over here spending hours of my time trying to look what is the best website for product research. Like I'm trying to go to, what is it called? This website called fucking like the Daily Virals. There we go. Sorry. The Daily Virals, it's a website that literally tells you the top viral videos for that day. You can filter by 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, whatever that may be. But the only problem with that is that it literally filters it only to like ad videos. Okay, I did take a quick break. I wasn't understanding what the hell I was saying. But anyways, I was going to these websites such as the Daily Virals, Calodata, Fastmoss, all these ones to essentially look at the viral videos. And it was really confusing me because I was sitting here thinking like, you know, which content style is the highest converting? Which product should I look at? Which creator should I copy? Like I'm over here thinking like I just want to make content, bro. Like I want to make content, and it was so confusing. Spent like 2 hours outside just like scrolling through shit, getting overwhelmed. And I get really overwhelmed like really easily with this stuff. So I just decided to say, screw it. Let's find his page. Let's just see what he's running. So he's literally just making videos on the same product, which is super cool. It's like, it's straight to the point. You just find a product, and if it rips, it rips. Now, what's funny is that he posted a couple videos, and the first ones didn't do too well. I don't know if you can see, it's like only a couple hundred views. Like this one only had like 1,000, and he has a pretty big account. But this dude literally, like you can see Leafar, hundreds of videos on the same product, which I find cool. Like I find that like a really easy strategy. He's just repeating it over and over and over. And I think whenever it just starts to die down, like, you know, he just stops it. But what's cool is that like, it's almost like he knows that these products are going to do well because he's just repeatedly spamming it. Because let's just say that you had 10 different products. You have to test all 10 of them. And I guess he's just posting regardless. He's probably spending a lot of time, obviously, figuring out this is a good product and then posting it. Because if he's just posting a bunch of random shit altogether, it's probably just going to be like a hit or miss, something like that. So I guess he's just really dialing down, finding one good product, finding it before it blows up, and literally just, absolutely scraping on this. So he's been making hundreds of videos on it. And I thought, okay, let's just do the same thing. Let's just find a product. I don't have any viral products. Like I still don't know where to find good stuff. So if any, TikTok shop affiliates out here that are actually good, you're making like, a good amount of money, tell us what the strategy is for finding good products. Like, do you find the product before you start making the content? Or do you just go and look for the viral videos and say, I'm going to steal that product? Or do you just incorporate virality into any product? Like, tell us your strategy. I haven't been in the game for more than around 8 or 9 months, and a lot has changed back then. So we're trying this from brand new. I'm going to act as if I'm a complete beginner, which I still kind of am. I didn't make too much money off of it, but I just thought it was a very good opportunity to bring this back up because summer's coming around. So again, let us know in the comment section down below if you got some stuff. But that being said, I'm going to stop on yapping. I just
fucking
let's just
food.
copy
What
his
the
content
hell?
style, and let's just also copy, just copy the product. I don't have the product on me. Because I looked and it takes 7 days to get to your house, and it's probably going to be dead by then. So I'm still thinking, how do you find the viral products? Point is, I just said screw it, and I'm over here overthinking every single content style, the product, the hook, blah blah blah. I just said fuck it, let's just post. So I posted a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 TikTok shop videos today. I posted these not too long ago, so it's obviously going to take some time to hit the algorithm. But TikTok is weird, though. TikTok is really, really weird. I feel like if you accidentally post, on Wi-Fi that isn't yours, or you post and you leave the app, you're shadow banned for some reason. So all these videos, these ones right here, I posted these 5, 6 hours ago, and they're still at 1 view. So if anybody can explain that, that would be appreciative. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to play one video per category. So I tried a category. I tried it recording off of my camera that we're using here. I tried doing a video about my skincare transformation. I tried just showing off the product. And then I tried doing controversy saying, throw out your coffee maker. So I'm going to show you one video per category, just trying out every single one and seeing which one works best. take your fucking coffee machine and throw it out immediately. One piece of Neurogum literally has the equivalent of 2 coffee cups worth of nicotine. And even though coffee's bad for your heart, in these you're getting natural caffeine, L-theanine, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. And if you have ADHD or you simply can't focus on anything, take one of these and thank me later. Okay, so there's that. Here's the next video.
I turn her up to a pack, your best friend told her I lie to you, but don't you lie to me. It's Lakota, the finesse kid. Boy, who hide is
Okay, next video. The homie told me the hotel had 2 beds, and what the fuck? I'm gonna do what any good friend does and take this. If you guys have been looking for one of those giant throw blankets that you see on TikTok, this is the last place to get it. Because right now, everybody's shopping for Valentine's Day, and as you guys can see, these things are absolutely selling out. As you guys can see, the typical one costs around 40 bucks on Amazon. On the TikTok shop, it's a lot less than that, so just tab out on below. The homie told me the hotel. Okay, there's that, and then we're gonna go for the coffee one. Coffee companies don't want you to know about this because it's overpowered. Traditional cup of coffee takes time and it takes a lot of money to produce, and it only gives you around 50 to 100 milligrams per cup. Well, if you were taking 1 packet of this, you're getting all these nutrients and you're also getting caffeine in it. It also has lion's mane in it, which is going to help you focus like crazy. And the best part is the amount of pods that you're paying for one of these cups is literally the equivalent of like 5 of these. So if you want to lock in, this is your last chance to do it by tapping the banner down below. Coffee company. Okay, so there's that. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and wait for the views to roll in. I really hope that I'm not shadow banned because I spent like, you know, a couple good hours making these videos. But that being said, yeah, if you have any suggestions if I should space it out, because I just posted these one by one. TikTok shop, like I said, today we sold 1 product for $23, 1 sold $2 commission. Again, like I said, this one video, it's this, wait, hold up. Wait. Okay, no. Yeah, so this is from that old video. Again, like 4 months ago, I mean, in November. That's absolutely crazy. If you guys want to know what it is.
It's the most wonderful time.
So this is like, there's a Christmas audio behind it. This cologne is $150 in stores, but on TikTok, they forgot a 0. And essentially, I'm just showing them a cheaper alternative. And people just bought this up, had like 100,000 views. So maybe I should just replicate that content style. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sit on it. I'm going to wait for a couple hours and see if the views change, because I think these videos are way higher quality than obviously, you know, these ones. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, I actually put a little bit more effort in here. Like, you can see there's a 0.5 camera, there's flash, it's like super fast mode. I charged my phone for this. So yeah, we're gonna go and do this. Again, I'm acting as if I'm a complete beginner, which I essentially am in this space. So if you have any suggestions or you're a beginner as well and you want to follow along, there's my account. It's just Kramer Shopper. And if you want to go ahead and follow my account where I literally ask people questions, hey, what do I do? You can follow this one. I just started posting like a couple days ago, Kramer affiliate. But that being said, that's going to go and complete day 2. If you're an affiliate and you do not have an account, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below. That's my company. But for this though, we're going to go ahead and try to post every single day. If I miss a day, it'll just be once a week, something like that. Just give you an update. But this is a realistic day in the life of us trying to realistically get from $0 to $10,000 a month. If you do the math, that's $333 a day. And, you know, I've seen some people do some absolutely astronomical numbers on here. So I'm just waiting for a viral video, I guess. Tomorrow I'm going to have some friends come over and I'm going to try to convince them to make some skits with me, because I see that those skits are doing really well. So we're going to go ahead and see, and I'll update you guys another time.